Hamilton. My babies.
Woohoo! Now, try. So we have a special surprise. We're going to use our gizmo. Bring it. All right.
This
All
is
right.
the Knob Creek Cast Drink.
Yep, that's
Single Barrel Select.
great. Is it working?
Oh.
It is.
It is 125 proof.
So the big difference here.
We put it on here?
Yeah, we're gonna spin it. This is our new toy.
Oh.
And we can make likes too.
Oh.
So the big difference, Laura, when you're gonna try it.
Oh, I'm gonna try it.
And you're gonna tell me if you like it better than these. But what's the big difference here? This is a 10-year.
Okay.
But instead of
higher
100 proof, it's 125. So it's gonna be a little bit punchier, which is not necessarily your favorite, but it'll be interesting to see how you like it. And if you need to go back to yours to see what you like better, I'd love to know in the end, what was your favorite? Because I know which one was mine. Which is very weird.
Oh, interesting.
Yes?
It almost has like a vanilla almond cake smell.
Oh, wow. Quite different descriptive from before. Do you like that? Do you like better, less, too much? What's your feeling around here?
Trying to decide.
Yeah, it's very different. And this is the first year in 2025 when they're doing actually store picks that are above 120. Because the single barrel Knob Creeks before were about 8 to 10 years, I think, but 120 max. And then now they're breaking the barrier.
To me, it's very like anise seed,
Okay.
tobacco,
Okay. Here, you're going to pause for a second. I'll edit.
dark chocolate.
Hey, Ram, can you let us finish the video before you put the TV on? Because we're still recording. Thank you. Or you just put it on mute. Okay, keep going. I'll edit that.
There's some hints. I want to say also like
I like this. We are fishes.
it's very like earthy.
Oh, okay. Oh, I wonder.
So I don't taste a lot of like sweetness. It's very dark and earthy.
Earthy, but is it like a lot of caramel or no?
I don't taste caramel.
Let me see.
I smell.
We'll share glass.
I smell caramel.
Oh, the smell. Yeah, the smell you get more like caramel, like peanut. And
It's like a vanilla almond cake.
Oh, yeah. I like the on the nose, you mean?
On the nose.
Oh, but it's got still a spice.
Yeah, very spicy. Tobacco,
Very spicy.
dark chocolate.
Tobacco leather.
Smoky.
Yeah, smoky.
Aniseed.
This would, you know what this would be great
like
with?
black licorice.
Your favorite, a nice cigar.
Ew.
I've been getting this cigar. She's not pleased, but It's delicious. Oh yeah, there's a lot of spice.
Yeah.
Like almost like what's that? Like the baking spice kind of stuff.
Uh-huh. Oh, I'm
Mm,
good. I'm good.
you're
I've made
good.
my assessment.
Okay, so very quick. What did you like the best? Actually, do you know? Are you the chamomile tea lady
I
or?
really liked that one, but I also liked the 21 for the sheer complexity
Oh,
and
okay.
the richness of the flavor and the
Mm.
way it like greets your
So that was the
lips.
21? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Okay. You
But
know,
the
for a lot of people, they say Knob Creek 21 is the whiskey of the year.
it's pretty good. It gives you a hug, but the flavor is very
Very.
layered.
Ah, okay.
But I do like the 12 because of the nose and because of the mouth feel. Like
Okay.
the freshness, the crispness of like um like apples or grapes, and then the what did I
What are
say
you
before?
feeling? Oh,
Oh,
the chamomile
the
tea.
herbaceous. There's a little
Yeah,
bit
the
of
tea.
that. The chamomile tea. So I really like that one too.
Okay, cool. So it sounds like for you it's 21, 12, 18.
Yeah.
And that's interesting because
They
12, 12 is about 70 bucks. 18 is one, it depends where you can, we're just going to say 150. And the 21 is about 220 to 250 per bottle.
I well, I'm not an expert. I just do this because I'm cute and I look good on camera and I provide comic relief.
She does. She does.
I wouldn't spend over $100 on the 18
Okay.
when I can get the 12 and
Oh yeah,
enjoy
the
it.
12 is unbeatable for the value. Like everybody
Yeah.
will tell you, it's like 12-year. Because usually, thank you, Fly, to go into my nose. Uh, Usually, like a 7-year bourbon, it's going to be pretty decent, right? 4 is going to be young. 7, 8 is what people are looking for. Once you get to 10, 12, and you look at the value, you're getting 12-year for $70. And when people think about like $10 per year, that's a steal, right? And even the Knob Creek 18-year, you get it for 150, 140. If you can find it at that price, it's still a good deal. But that's a lot of money for a lot of folks, and ourselves included. So it's kind of like when you're spending that kind of money, you want to find something pretty awesome. So I agree with you. The Knob 12 is just it's a runaway hit, and I think this I picked up for like 80, and that's a 10-year, but it's a single barrel pick by our folks at AW. Actually, this one's kind of funny, Laura. It's called the Chick Pick 2.0 Lady Proof,
Oh.
which is some of the ladies that are associated with one of our favorite liquor store down the street, Chevron Extra Mile, but also in collaboration with AWC Barrelheads in Arizona. So it's just a cool bottle, but it's fun. But I have to say, completely different than the other three.
Yeah.
So,
Very different.
all right, well, I think we'll wrap it up now. I
Okay.
think that's good for today. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed it. Lots of cool bottles. Like we said, you can't really go wrong with a Knob 12. And if you want to explore in the other ones, a lot of people, the 21, love it. It's not personally my favorite, but I think you really liked it. So, again, it's always about if you can get to try it before you buy it, that's never a bad idea. All right.
Yeah, and stay tuned after the video for a scene with me and our resident caskrabbit, Hamilton.
That's right. We will show Mr. Hamilton.
All right.
Good night. Have a good one, everybody.